So you wanna know how to add this blur plugin? Go to your browser, search OBS shader filter plugin, then go to this first website and then click this go to download button. It will redirect you to the GitHub page. Then click on to your requirement. I'm downloading that Windows installer.exe. Then click download, then open the folder and right click on the installed exe file, run as administrator. This is appearing because I am already recording, but this will not appear for you. Then just click next and then it will start installing, and after it is done installing, click on finish, then open your OBS. You can run as administrator for the safety. Then just right click on your source, click on filters, then click on this plus icon and then the user defined shader, and I will rename this blur plugin. Then click on the tick marks and then click on browse and search from this Gaussian advanced plugin. Open it and just from the size increase this gradually to increase the blur accordingly. You can do this not only to your image but to any video or to your whole screen. पता नहीं तुम क्यों करोगे, but anyways.